akenya mirioni 3.5 nio mathiete na mbere kuhatiririo ni morito ma ng'aragu kaunti-ini gatagati ka 47 aricio cihutitio na njira nene. Kumana na undu uyu, Mutongoria wa bururi ndagitari William Ruto ni akurithirie rori 50 iria gutwara irio kaunti-ini ici 10 ari njira ya guthaitira mioyo ya aria mahutitio ni ng'aragu.
Have in these 50 trucks 20,000 bags of rice, 20,000 bags of beans and assorted animal feed together with cooking oil that will go to the various parts of our country that today are facing serious challenges of drought.
Kaunti ya Garissa, Turkana, Kitui, Baringo na West Pokot ni mwisho kaunti iria hatiririkite na njira nene. President akianirira kuma riu guthie na mbere mahinya mao mothe mikurongorerio mihang'o-ini ya kuhitana na ng'aragu.
Weekly basis we will assess the situation and see what this intervention will mean for the people around the country and what additionally can be done as we go into the future.
Na niguo gutigirira mihang'o ya kunyagirio icinde na gumirwo ni ukugia wa wara, thirikari igukorwo igikuruhania andu aingi o ta uria kwahoteka gukurana aria mabatie kwamukira uteithio uyu wa irio.
The food that you are flagging off today and subsequently will not be distributed by county commissioners alone. It will be a concerted effort between the national government administration, the county governments and our development partners so that there is transparency and there is efficiency.
President ohonianireire mari na mufango wa gwetha kihonia gia gutura kugacirithia urimi na gutigira ni magia na mufango wa kuhonia muingi.
To ask all farmers who had cut back on acreage under food production that the government of Kenya will support them fully in this short rains and in the coming long rains so that we can produce sufficient food to take care of our food requirements as a country.
Ritana gukiri uguo ni rikitio kuri arugamiria ministry ya kigina na ministry ya mai gutigira ni maroria mahinya mao mihang'o-ini ya kuhitana na ng'aragu.
I think it is possible for us going into the future to have a much more proactive approach to situations like this so that we manage them ahead of time.
Mwena-ini gwake muikaririgite wa kanjo ya magavana andu wa iguru ni ugire thirikari cia kaunti ni igwikirira kuiga keheri-ini kigina makiria gia kuhitana na ng'aragu na muno makiria makaunti-ini.
The governors have committed to put resources and increase their emergency resources and also add their budgetary allocations to ensure that we are safeguarding the lives of the citizens that are threatened by this drought.
Ndumiriri ya ruhonge rwa uthimi wa riera ni gwetete ucenjia wa imera na wagi wa mbura tomwe wa maria macũngĩrĩirie kĩng'ũki kĩa ng'aragu kũgwa gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, makiuga kaunti 10 ikuhutio nĩ ng'aragu nene itarĩ yonekana kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka 40. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Nũngari wa Kamau.